Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the EasySpeak English podcast. I'm John, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. If you're listening right now, it means you care about improving your English, and that already makes you a great learner. Today, we have a very relaxing and useful topic. We're going to talk about vacations, how we travel, where we go, and how we can use vacations to relax and also practice English naturally. And of course, I'm not alone. I'm joined by our lovely guest, Judy. Judy, welcome back to the show.
Thank you, John. I'm really happy to be here again. And yes, I love today's topic. Just talking about vacations already makes me feel relaxed.
Heh. Same here. So, Judy, let me start with a simple question. When you hear the word vacation, what is the first image in your mind?
Good question. For me, I imagine sunshine, slow mornings, and no alarm clock. I imagine waking up without checking emails.
Yeah, that sounds perfect already. So no work, no stress, and more time for yourself.
Exactly. And I think that's why vacations are so important. They give our brain a break.
That's a great point. And listeners, notice how simple these sentences are. You don't need difficult grammar to express your ideas clearly. Now, Judy, let's talk about types of vacations. Some people love the beach. Some people love the mountains. Which one are you?
I'm definitely a beach person. I love warm weather, blue water, and walking on the sand.
I had a feeling you'd say that. Heh. What do you like most about the beach?
I love the sound of the ocean. It's very calming, and I love swimming, reading a book, and doing nothing.
Doing nothing is a very important vacation skill.
Absolutely, vacations are not for being busy. They're for resting.
I agree. Now I'm a little different. I enjoy the mountains, fresh air, green trees, and long walks.
That sounds healthy, but is it cold?
Sometimes, yes, but I like wearing a jacket and walking in nature. It makes me feel refreshed.
So, listeners, we have two choices so far: a relaxing beach vacation or an active mountain vacation.
Exactly, but there's another popular option, city trips.
Oh, yes, city vacations are great too. Museums, cafes, history, and of course, food.
Yeah, food is always important.
When I travel, I love trying local food. If I go to Italy, I want pasta. If I go to Japan, I want sushi.
And on vacation, we don't count calories.
Never. Ice cream every day is allowed.
Now, let's talk about transportation. How do we get to our vacation destination?
Many people like flying. Airplanes are fast and convenient.
That's true, but airports can be stressful.
Yes, and you always worry about your passport. Passport, phone, ticket.
Exactly. Personally, I enjoy road trips.
Me too. You can listen to music, talk, sing, and stop whenever you want.
Road trips give you freedom, but they can be long.
Are we there yet?
5 more hours.
Now, John, let's talk about something very important. Packing.
Oh no, I'm terrible at packing.
You pack too much, right?
Yes, maybe I need this, maybe I need that. And suddenly my suitcase is too heavy.
I'm the opposite. I pack very light. Just a few clothes and my toothbrush.
What if it rains?
Um, okay. Maybe I forget some things.
One time, I forgot my swimsuit.
You went to the beach without a swimsuit?
Yes, and I had to buy one, very expensive.
Lesson for our listeners. Always make a packing list.
Great advice. Now, vacations can be expensive.
That's true. Hotels and tickets cost a lot of money.
So, what if we don't have a big budget?
Then we choose a staycation.
Then we choose a staycation. A staycation means staying at home, but relaxing like a tourist.
You can visit parks, try new restaurants, and sleep more.
And no travel, stress.
Sometimes traveling is tiring. You need a vacation after your vacation.
Very true.
The most important part of any vacation is disconnecting
Turning off work emails.
and spending time with family or enjoying silence.
Vacations help us create memories.
Photos are great, but sometimes it's better to just enjoy the moment.
Well said. This was a wonderful conversation.
Yes, I feel relaxed already.
So, before we finish, let's ask our listeners a question. Where is your dream vacation?
Beach, mountains, city, or somewhere else.
Write your answer in English in the comments. It's great practice.
Thank you for listening to the EasySpeak English podcast.
And don't forget, tomorrow at 7 p.m., we're waiting for you with a new episode.